Good afternoon, traders. Everybody knows RH. Yes, we have been trading it for the last 15 years. They came out with earnings, they blew it out of the park. Boy, did they. Look at that gap all the way back up here to the highs. Once again, retail, everybody's been complaining about it, but for high end furniture, that's what they do. And those people spend hundreds of millions of dollars on high-end furniture, and people are not letting up in that category, in that bracket of people. That's why the stock popped. It's a different kind of retailer. It's high net worth. So high net worth gets high net worth gains. Once again, though, we're going to be monitoring it, and if it pulls back, when it does pull back, we'll buy dips on it because for the next 3 months, depending on what happens with the economy, if we start slowing down, high net worth people are still going to purchase that furniture, irrespectively. So buying a pullback is the right thing to do with RH. Have that on your free stock plays buy list on this big, gigantic, high net worth retailer.